guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. Welcome to Notary Educators with Kimmi. It's your girl, Kimmi Nunnally, #1 educator, notary educator nationwide. What do we do in Notary Educators? We teach notaries how to have a proper foundation, how to learn their notarial duties so that they can make money. They can turn their stamp into cash. Turn your stamp into cash. Yes, because a lot of you are sitting on your commissions, just don't know what to do with them. It is a Sunday, so I don't know how many people will join us, but happy Sunday, happy Sunday. Your girl is up, ready to go. I actually have an assignment at a hospital today. I'll tell you a little bit about that. I'll tell you a little bit about a job I had yesterday. Just some story time today. Hey, Lisa, good morning. The early bird gets the worm. Hey, Lisa, what happened with that client that needed somebody that was Haitian? Were you able to help them? I thought about that. Andrea, what's up, girl? How are you? Lisa, what happened with that client? I was just curious. Good morning, everyone. Look like we got a lot of early birds on a Sunday. Look at this. Look at this. I just told Jeffrey, I said, let's see who's live, who's up on a Sunday morning with me. Yeah, I'm headed to the hospital to do a signing. Actually, I'm going to let my sister do the signing. You guys may have heard. This is just a little chit chat. Nothing special. If you have questions, I'll definitely answer them for you. I made the appointment for tomorrow afternoon. Well, get it, Lisa. Did he speak English? Did he speak English, or did he just want somebody from his home country? Because I gave it to you because I know, you know, where you're from, but I was like, well, I didn't know if I should call him or not. And he was given to me. So shout out Notary Giant. If you're not here this morning, Notary Giant out of New York. Teamwork makes the dream work. He's in New York. He got this contact from Georgia some kind of way. On my live on Friday when I was live with my sister, he was on there. He said, hey, Kimmi, I got a job for you. And I gave it to Lisa because he actually wanted someone that was Haitian. So I'm not Haitian, but I still could have got it done. I do international documents all day long, but I just figured I'd see if somebody could meet his demand. And Lisa, shout out to Lisa. She was all over it. And now she's saying she got the appointment. Teamwork makes the dream work. And that job came from me being live here on YouTube. See how the circle works, guys? See how the circle works? You want to get in the circle? I don't know if y'all ever saw that movie, Meet the Fockers. Meet the Fockers. And he talked about the circle. The circle. Get in the circle, guys. Because Lisa got that job because she's in mentorship 1. But not only that, if she wasn't even in mentorship, I love how Lisa works. I give Lisa work. Lisa's an excellent notary. Excellent. Now, she did train with us, so I'm going to take credit for that, Lisa. But Lisa is thebomb.com. Andrea, too. I mean, we got some great notaries in our group. But shout out Notary Giant out of New York. So from New York to Atlanta, we're making it happen, guys. I hope he gets to see this. If you guys don't follow him, he's on Clubhouse a lot, Notary Giant. And he is tall. I think he told us on Friday he's 6'8". So shout out, my friend. Shout out. We got it done for you. Check it out. Check it out. Andrea, so she made the appointment for tomorrow. Hey, Emily, what's up? What's up? How are you? Lisa said just wanted to text, but text and they just wanted to text, but text in English. Oh, okay. Well, I didn't even try it. That's why I was just like, if somebody want to do the job, fine. It's all good. So I'm sitting here waiting on my sister to pick me up. I'll let y'all talk to her for a second if she's ready. It's Sunday, so she's probably dressed up. She's very particular. And I am too. I don't just hop on here and I'm not dressed. Like some people can just roll out the bed and nobody cares if they do YouTube or not. You know, no makeup, no nothing. I don't wear makeup, but just lipstick. But I mean, some people just literally are in the bed and they can film and it's all good. I just didn't come up like that. It's very rare. I don't mind just standing sometimes just chit-chatting, but like I'm in the kitchen, or I've even done a couple segments in my bathroom, just, after I wash my face and stuff. But I was saying that to say my sister, she ain't coming on here if she ain't right in her eyes. All right, Emily, you from Detroit? West side or east side? I'm from Detroit too. West side. Sheila, hey Sheila, how are you? Happy Sunday. Welcome, welcome. Lisa said, did you get someone for the one yesterday? Sorry, I didn't get to the message in time. Yes, I was going to talk about that job too, girl. So let me tell you about my hospital job. Then I'm going to tell you about the job Lisa's talking about. Well, you know what? Let's do the reverse. Let's talk about the job Lisa's asking me about. So I put in our group chat yesterday. If you're not a member of the Notary Business Success, you should be. Because a lot of times, not just Georgia notaries are sharing jobs. There's other states, Texas. I mean, all states are represented, quite a few. We got Nevada, California, Ohio, Michigan, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Florida, Nevada, I think I said already. So we got quite a few notaries. Illinois, we got several from Illinois in the house. A lot of Texans. So anyway, all that being said, I put in our group chat yesterday, I needed somebody to do an ink fingerprinting job. One person replied, but they said they didn't do ink fingerprinting. So appreciate the offer, but I mean, just letting me know you don't do it, but that's not helping me get my client. You know what I mean? So shout out Shakira, she volunteered. I mean, she mentioned that she hadn't taken a course yet. Let me rephrase that. So we do have an ink fingerprinting course that's also included in the mentorship. Everything you need. Mystery shopping course is coming out soon. I'm very excited about it. It should be hopefully in the next couple of days. So I did my filming for that because I don't want to show you how to do it. So I got a couple assignments. So that's coming soon. Anyway, so I put in a group that I needed someone to do ink fingerprinting, and no one replied. So I did it myself. So I let her come here. And Eastside Gratiot. Okay, I know where that is. Yes, Eastside. So I put in there and no one responded except the one person. And so I did it myself. I let her come to me because she didn't need mobile service. So it was all good. But what happened with her really quick? It's always a story, guys. This is why I share these notary stories with you. Because it ain't never just as simple as they come in and do one thing and gone. It ain't never that simple. So she gets here. We did her prints. I mean, they were beautiful prints. I told you guys maybe 3 months back, I did a little story. I think I did. It was ink fingerprinting. And this guy came and he needed he needed 4 cards completed. 4 cards completed, but we couldn't get them rolled. And he just was it was just terrible. So I'm like, well, lean into the card a little bit. Put your body into it so you can actually get a good print, right? No. He just could not get the prints rolled. So like I was telling my sister, she just happened to be here yesterday because she's preparing for her job for today. And we were going over some things together. You don't have to touch the person when it comes to fingerprinting. Some people shy away from doing fingerprinting because they think they need to physically touch the person's fingers and help them roll, especially during COVID. People had a huge issue with that. I don't want to touch them and all this and all that. I get that. So you don't have to touch them. The way I teach you to roll and help them to roll is you show them, right? And you could do a couple samples, but this particular guy couldn't get it done no matter what. So after about 4 of my cards that we wasted, okay? 4 of my cards, and he was just nervous and he just couldn't get it. So I was like, you know what, that's it. So I told him, I said, well, unfortunately, I think this is probably not going to work. I didn't make no money, but I'm out 4 cards now because I wasted them. And it was what it was. Now, this young lady that came yesterday, her prints were beautiful. She was an expert at doing it. She's in the medical field, so she's accustomed to filling out the, doing the fingerprinting. So that was not the problem. She had a beautiful set of prints. Oh, they were so pretty. And that black ink looks so pretty. Yeah. So fill out the card, do everything we need to do. And then she looks at her phone and goes, oh, they didn't want this part filled out. It was 1 block on there. It was 1 block. It was for her employer. And I'm chill. When she first got here, she said, "Oh, it needs to be in black ink." Well, I already know that. And if you've taken my fingerprinting course or if you've taught yourself, you will know that too, right?